Hello student, good morning, welcome in online class. Today we discuss the last topic of our chapter, effect of change of pressure. We know that the different states of matter such as solid, liquid and vapor differ in their interparticle distance. A solid has a high density because its particles are spaced very close to each other. In liquid, the particles are close together. In gas, a gas does not have fixed shape because the position of the particle is not fixed. When we change pressure or temperature, the interparticle distance change. If we get pressure or temperature on the particles, the interparticle distance changed. Therefore, the state of matter can be changed by changing pressure or temperature or both. If we give the pressure on the substance or a temperature or both, the matter changes their state. Now, liquefaction of gas, the conversion of gas into liquid is called liquefaction. The conversion of gas into liquid form is called liquefaction of gases. Liquefaction of a gas may be done by increasing the pressure and lowering the temperature. This process is done by increasing the pressure and lowering the temperature. Thus, gas can be liquefied by compressing and by cooling. When gas is compressed by applying pressure on it, the volume of gas decreases and the particles of gas come close together and they start attract each other. When gas is compressed, heat is produced. Therefore, it is necessary to cool the gas to take away the heat produced by compression. When gas is cooled, the volume of the gas and its kinetic energy decreases. When gas is cooled, the volume of the gas and its kinetic energy decreases. The particle of gas get so close that gas liquefied. Solid carbon dioxide is called dry ice. Next, evaporation. Definition: the process in which a liquid in open vessel changes into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. At a given temperature in any gas, liquid or solid, all the particles do not have same kinetic energy. We know all particles have different kinetic energy. In gas of liquid, the particles at the surface have more energy than the particles in bulk of the liquid. In case of liquid, the particles at the surface have more energy in the particle than the particles in the bulk of liquid. Some of the particles of liquid at the surface have enough energy to break the force of attraction between the particles. लिक्विड के सरफेस पे जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनके पास सफिशिएंट एनर्जी होती है इनके बीच में जो फोर्सेस होते हैं, फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है, उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए. सच पार्टिकल्स लीव द सरफेस ऑफ द लिक्विड एंड कम आउट एज वेपर. और ये सारे पार्टिकल्स कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं लिक्विड फॉर्म में. Thus, the fast moving particles of the liquid at the surface are constantly escaping from the liquid to form vapor at any temperature. और ये लिक्विड फास्टली, ये जो लिक्विड के पार्टिकल्स हैं वो फास्टली मूव कर जाते हैं सरफेस पे और ये स्केप कर जाते हैं लिक्विड से वेपर फॉर्म में. It is important to know that evaporation is a surface phenomena and latent heat of vaporization can be supplied for evaporation at any temperature. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमें जानना है कि जो एवापोरेशन का ये प्रोसेस, ये जो फिनोमेना है वो कहाँ है, वो लिक्विड की सरफेस पे होता है. Factor affecting evaporation. Evaporation of a liquid depend on the following factor: temperature, pressure, surface area, humidity, wind. First is temperature, second is surface area of the liquid, humidity of air, speed, wind, speed. Let's discuss temperature. Let's start topic 1, temperature. The rate of evaporation increase with an increase in temperature. जब हम टेम्परेचर को बढ़ाएंगे तो evaporation की स्पीड क्या होगी, इंक्रीज होगी. सेकेंड इज surface area of the liquid. The rate of evaporation increase on the increasing the surface area of the liquid. जब लिक्विड की जो सरफेस एरिया होगा वो ज्यादा होगा तो इवापोरेशन का रेट भी ज्यादा होगा। थर्ड इज ह्यूमिडिटी ऑफ एयर। ह्यूमिडिटी, डिक्रीज इन द ह्यूमिडिटी इंक्रीज द रेट ऑफ इवापोरेशन। जब ह्यूमिडिटी की डिक्रीज होगी, थर्ड इज ह्यूमिडिटी, डिक्रीज इन द ह्यूमिडिटी इंक्रीज द रेट ऑफ इवापोरेशन। जब ह्यूमिडिटी डिक्रीज होती है तो रेट ऑफ इवापोरेशन बढ़ जाता है। विंड स्पीड, द रेट ऑफ इवापोरेशन इंक्रीज विथ इंक्रीज इन द विंड स्पीड। इवापोरेशन का रेट इंक्रीज होता है जब विंड की स्पीड इंक्रीज करती है। Question for practice. Why does a desert cooler cool better on a hot and dry day? Second, how does the water kept in earthen pot become cool during summer? Why does our palm feel cool when we put some petrol, acetone or perfume on it? Fourth one, why it is easy to sip hot tea or milk or a saucer rather than a cup? Why? What type of clothes should you wear in summer? Ice has cooling effect whereas steam causes several burn. Explain. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.